dental x-ray images really necessary?
Yes, dental x-ray images are necessary. It helps us to detect tooth decay, gum disease, and any cavities
How often
related
do I
to the
need
tooth.
dental x-rays?
So the first thing that we would have to do is make sure that we're following the LARA rule, which means as long as reasonably achievable. So it would also depend on the patient to when x-rays are taken, at which appointment. But I know that at some dentist offices, it's required that you take it about every hygiene appointment. So it would be at every 6 months. So it would depend on the child and the child's needs on when the x-rays are going to be taken, just like any adult. But it also depends on the needs of the kids as well.
X-rays?
It depends on the needs of the child because every child's individual needs is different depending on the situation.
And still be treated without them?
No, you cannot be treated without them because the dentist needs those
Instead of
x-rays to
taking
be able to
additional
treat
images,
you.
can you use the x-rays from my previous dentist?
Yes, we can use the x-rays from the previous dentist. It also has to affect on how long ago they were taken and what the dentist has to offer.
How do you limit my exposure to x-rays?
There is no set limit for radiation exposure, but what the patient can do is wear a lead apron, which protects them from radiation scatter.
How do you use a lead apron?
A lead apron is put on the patient to help protect their organs from any radiation getting to their body.
Should I avoid dental x-ray exposure during pregnancy?
So when you take x-rays when you're pregnant, you are using a lead apron. Let's just say if I was a patient, I'm going to have a lead apron over me, and that's what's going to protect me. Even if I have a baby inside of me or like a fetus, it's not going to be harmful because the radiation.
Why do you leave the room during x-ray exposure?
The reason why I leave the room during x-ray exposure is because I'm not protective, unlike the patient. So I have to be a certain amount of feet away from the radiation scatter to be able not to be.
Dental x-rays safe?
Dental x-rays is not safe. It's actually harmful to our bodies, but in dental, the radiation is at a bare minimum. Dental x-rays will not cause cancer. There hasn't been any recent studies.
Dental imaging?
An advantage would be that it gives off less exposure radiation, which helps benefits the patient from not being too much exposed to it, but
Can
it's
a
still at a bare
panoramic
minimum.
image be used instead of a complete intraoral series of radiographs?
No, a panoramic cannot be substituted or used and replaced for a complete series of intraoral radiographs. About today's appointment regarding dental radiographs?
No, I don't.